For this video, I shaved and trimmed my nose hairs. It's that important. Hi y'all, this is the follow-up video to the Stealth exhaust. This one is going to be a ride-by. We have the Moto muffler and the street sweeper. We'll do a ride-by first for each muffler on the system, so you can get an idea of what it sounds like, you know, like going by, what it might sound like to someone that's not on the bike. Then we're going to do a bit on my gravel road, so you can hear what it sounds like, because there's a lot of enclosure and trees and, you know, echoes and stuff like that. Then we're going to go up on my main road, a little more open. Main road, sound will probably bounce a little bit differently due to being on asphalt instead of gravel. And then we'll do a freeway entrance run. Yeah, that one is going to be, it's going to be loud for both of them. This one in particular, probably louder. So, yeah. All right, let's get to it. Oh man, no one is going to mistake that. No one's going to say I didn't hear him. It is so loud. I think this might actually be too loud. It's like NASCAR loud. It delights the child inside of me. Okay, it's not so bad right now. I mean, it is, that thump is still very loud. But at a crawl, it's not so bad. Off throttle, or man, when you get on the throttle, it is vicious and hurtful, and it wants to do damage to everything around it. I'm gonna put this in neutral. I gotta get the mail real quick. All right, there was no mail. Yeah, it is angry and vicious. So this is my first ride. I started up in the last video, you guys seen that, and right now I am going over to, I need to pick up a few things, so we'll see. That diesel pop, my god, it's vicious. Yeah, this would wake babies. This wakes the dead, I think. It's beyond the pale. It is insane. It might need a DB killer. It's monstrous. I mean, in the last video you seen me when I started up, I laughed. If you are a child at heart, and you want to, I don't know, give your friends Road Glide or Street Glide or 121 a run for their money in whose exhaust can cause people, you know, well, I don't know, this might kill people. I'll say this, it revs quicker, I can tell. It's definitely letting the bike rev quicker. But man, it is loud. It is so loud. My helmet is pretty well insulated. I'm not joking. Compared to my Bell, this LS2, it's a lot more insulated. I noticed that it wasn't so loud when I first got it. But this pipe is terrifically loud. Oh my, is it terrifically loud. Yeah, it's insane. So, yeah, it's so vicious. It's so gnarly.
Yeah, no one is ever going to say, they might not see you, but damn it, they heard you. They can't say, I got into his lane, I didn't hear him. That would not, that would never fly with this pipe. It just ain't gonna fly, not with this pipe. It's so vicious, so angry. Just insane. I wonder what the fuel economy is going to be now that it's breathing better. I'm hoping I don't lose a ton of fuel economy. That would really kind of suck. We'll see. I did not change the intake at all, so it still has the intake or the filter that comes on the Pan Am as, you know, from the factory. It's a washable paper filter. I did not change that, so hopefully that doesn't do anything. I know on Harleys you can change the exhaust without a tune. On most Harleys you can change the exhaust without a tune, but not the intake, the filter, or anything like that, not to a high flow. Now that's on most Harleys. From what I've read and what I've seen online is you can change both on the Pan Am and it won't matter, it'll adjust for it. So we'll see, but I'm not going to, just so, you know, I don't ruin my warranty. Oh man, it's so vicious, and honestly it picks up speed like so easy now. I don't know if it just needed uncorked or what, but I'll tell you what, honestly this is it's pretty painful. This is the Moto muffler, the Stealth Moto muffler. There's two you can get on the Stealth website for the Harley-Davidson Pan America. There's two different mufflers. There's the Street Sweeper, which we previously ran and you got to hear, and there's this one. This is the Moto muffler. This is the more FMF dirt bikey style. Honestly, this one is much quieter. The other one is ear-piercingly painful. Yeah, it's horrific on the freeway, at least. You know, just riding around back roads and stuff probably wouldn't be bad, but on the freeway it was too much. This one we're going to find out. I've never had this one on the freeway yet. But it definitely sounds nice already. Now, mine is, let's call it prototype. I'm testing this for Stealth. He has a bike of his own he's been testing. The only two Pan Ams that I know of that have this muffler system, this exhaust, this catback system, are my bike and Steve, who owns Stealth. So, wow, it sounds really good. It's got a more deep tone. There isn't as high a pitch. It sounds really great. I mean, really great. The high pitch is gone. The other one, it had that, I think because it doesn't have much baffling in the body, that it's more, I don't know, it's the velocity on it is, I don't know, it's just too much high speed. If you look up like how a silencer works, like for a gun, same kind of concept for a muffler for a car. In fact, I think silencers used to be called mufflers, or mufflers used to be called silencers, whatever you want to call them. But I think they were both at one point interchangeable. So this one though, the high pitch is not there. I think it's because there's more of a body on it, and there's more packing available. So there's more of an expansion chamber, let's call it. So it's not so harsh, and the velocity on the exhaust is slowed down. So we're about to see when I get on the freeway if there's any difference compared to the other one, because the other one, even with my helmet on, and with my helmet there is padding, there is coating on the padding, there's, you know, the cover, you know, for comfort on the padding. There's a big piece of, I don't know, ABS plastic, or God knows, I can't remember what LS2 makes their helmets out of. So there's going to be that too. But I could still hear it even with my visor closed, and it hurt my ears, the other one. So if you are looking for the absolute loudest exhaust, the Street Sweeper's for you. However, I'll put up a video after this of my baffled down street sweeper. I built a baffle for it. Now, you could probably just buy one online on, I think it's a 2 Ace or something like that, interior. You could probably just buy it on Amazon or something. I didn't want to do that because, well, I have the parts laying around, and I just made one myself. So I said, screw it, I'll just do it myself. I'm handy enough with a welder, and, well, that's what I did. But I did use some, we're going to let this car get a little bit further ahead of us. But I did use some baffling out of an old... Oh yeah, she is definitely not as loud as the street sweeper. The Moto muffler definitely is not as loud. Not even near as loud. It's wow, it sounds really good. It's like I think it's about perfect, to be quite honest. It's not horribly loud, but people will definitely hear you. And it's, of course, it's going to be muted on my bike because you're listening to it through my helmet right now. I would say it's probably about as loud. I've heard the Vance & Hines one. The Moto muffler is about as loud as the Vance & Hines muffler. I think this one looks better though. It looks like a large dirt bike muffler, and I find that kind of cool. However, the looks of the street sweeper just do it for me. That old school kind of two-strokey, I don't know, pie cut muffler, it just is, man, it's just, I don't know. I can feel it down in my loins that it's right. And I'm pretty sure it makes women hot. And I just love the way it looks, and I baffled it myself, so I kind of spent a little extra time on it, and I think it's endeared itself to me. But this, if I'm going to do nothing else, this is the muffler I'm going to get, the Moto muffler. This is not the Baby Waker. This is very loud, but it is not as loud as the street sweeper. So I think this is the one that everyone, unless you are already dealing with hearing issues and you can't hear anything anyways, maybe the street sweeper is for you. Or if you just like the way the street sweeper looks and you're going to buy a baffle for it, great. Then that's the one for you. Or you're going to make a baffle. But if you are the average guy and you want a little bit louder exhaust and you want it to be, I don't know, not terribly obnoxious, and you want it from someone, well, you want it from a manufacturer that is a small business, then go with Stealth. And if you ever have a problem, man, getting a hold of Stealth, man, they are quick to respond. I don't know how many emails I've had with Steve, but it's a lot. Sending back input, things I was, you know, kind of unsure of how things should fit, you know, little just things like that. And if you ever have a problem, man, they are quick to deal with it. From every account I've ever read, they are quick to deal with any problems you might have. Man, it is 91. It's not even noon yet. It's not even noon. I guess that's it. I just wanted you guys to hear it, you know, around my house, you know, in the woods, up the gravel road, and getting on the freeway, and, you know, talk about the difference between the street sweeper and the Moto muffler on, you know, for the Stealth exhaust system. It's a catback system, and like I said, I think I said it before in a different video, in an earlier video, anyone can do this. This is not that hard. It only takes a few tools. You can take it somewhere and have it put on if you're uncomfortable doing it yourself. Like, comment, subscribe, click that ding link to be notified of any new videos I'm coming out with. If you have any questions at all about the Stealth exhaust, hit me up in the comments. You can also go to Stealth's site and ask them questions there. They do have an email address, and they will be with you very quickly, usually. I've never had a problem getting a hold of them. And really, guys, I waited a long time for the exhaust. I mean, I seriously considered just buying a Vance & Hines. There was a couple other ones I looked at. There was like the Fab 28, but this one, it's the one I wanted, because I wanted the Stealth exhaust. And I was willing to accept no substitutes. And I am so pleased that I waited. Thank you, lads and lasses, for watching. Stay stubborn, get out there and ride. Bye, y'all. Oh, and before I go, thank you, Steve, so much. Really awesome exhaust.